Now, first of all is expand and simplify. So if you look at this particular question, we have 2x minus 5, and then we have an x squared plus 5. So the first skill you need to know is the rainbow method, as shown over here. You just rainbow in the individual terms and you're going to get this. So this is the second type equation you need to know. You also have to do the rainbow in, but before that you actually have an algebraic equation that you need to solve. So for example, this x minus 3y, the bracket square, you need to solve this part first, and you need to remember your three special algebraic formula, one of which is this a minus b bracket square, which will give you a square minus 2b plus b square. Hence you expand that part first, and therefore you rainbow in the 3. Now the next skill that you need to know is about factorization. So for factorization, there are two ways which you are taught, right? The first way is called the tic-tac-toe method, and then the other way is called the trial and error method. It doesn't matter which method you use. So in this particular example, we just use the trial and error method, and we factorize it, we'll be able to get 3x minus 2, x plus 3. If you look at the next sum, this is a 162 minus 128 y squared. At first you look at this and then you're like, hey, I do not know how to factorize. It does not fall into any of the rules. So the first thing you need to do is to actually factorize a common factor, which in this case is a 2. So you'll get 81 minus 64 y squared. So from here, you must recognize that this is rule number 3 of the special algebraic formula, which says that a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b minus b. Hence, your 81 minus 64 y squared can further be factorized into 9 plus 8y, 9 minus 8y.